everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's tutorial, I will teach you how to edit your pictures using your phone only. And we will be using the Pixel Lab for the tutorial. Okay, so first thing that we need to have is this cell phone application called Pixel Lab, this one. Okay, click. Okay, so this is how it looks like if you enter. Okay, so we have here the plus button. We can add here our pictures. Okay, I will click from gallery. Photos. I'll choose this as my background. And then we will lock the picture so that it won't move. Okay, so see, even if you click it here, it won't move. And if you unlock, you will see that the picture will move. So I want it to be steady. That's why I will lock the picture. I will click the lock button. Then I will click this photo right here below the three dots. Okay, to go back, and then I will add another picture. I'll choose this picture from my text art. Okay, so here. You can also edit the picture. You can have shadow if you want, white shadow. Okay, you can also have pink, yellow, black, white, pink. I like white. Inner shadow, white. I don't want to have inner shadow. Okay, enable, disabled, enable. Okay, so I think it will look much better if I will have shadow. Click check, click emboss. I don't want this. Okay, X. What else can we do? We can also add our text. Just click the plus sign on the left corner, then choose text if you want to add some text. Welcome. Okay, then we will put some stroke. You click stroke, enabled. I want to change the font. So if you want to change the font style, just click the text and then click this letter A here and look for font, this one, font. Okay, so just choose whatever font style you like. Okay, I'll choose Chantilly Antigua. Welcome. Then I will bold this, so click check. The color, I think the color is already nice. Welcome, I will just tap. Okay, so that's it. If you want to change the location, you can drag it anywhere you like. I think I like it the way it was before. Drag. Okay. You can also tilt. Tilt a little. Okay. I think it's enough already, so I'm gonna lock this picture here. Click lock, so you can see if your picture is locked. Once the lock is colored orange, then that means it's locked. If the color of your lock icon is gray, then it means it's still not locked. Click again the double paper under the 3 dots to go back. And then what else can I add? I think I'm already satisfied with the way my picture is, so I'll save it as a project so that I can edit this later on. Home, then I will save it as an image. Okay, if you're going to save the picture on or upload the picture on YouTube, then you have to customize the dimension into 1280 to 720 because that is the standard size or aspect ratio for YouTube. Click save to gallery. Okay, so that's how you can edit your pictures using your phone and using the Pixel Lab. So I hope you guys enjoy my tutorial for today. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe in my channel for more learnings and video tutorials coming soon. Thank you.